Previously, I showed you how to install and use this roller. It is massive for big tumblers. Today, we're going to engrave onto this big tumbler. It is 32 ounce. The diameter is massive. One of the interesting to note is this thing is soft touch steel. Yeah, even though this thing is made of steel, it feels kind of rubbery. Very weird. I wasn't so sure what the settings would be, and I only have one chance of getting it correctly. Luckily, I'm happy to say that things worked out and the setting is exactly the same as any other tumbler setting. Myself, I'm using the Comgrow Z1 10-watt laser, so the speed will be 650 mm per minute. Power settings is at 80%. Let's do OP so we can see what it will look like. The whole thing will take about 30 minutes as seen here, 27 minutes and 53 seconds. I was sweating that whole time because I wasn't sure if I'm going to burn right through, or if it's not good enough to work with this thing, or if this thing is specially coated with a chemical that'll burn the whole house down. That's not good. And there you go. This is the complete product. It looks just like our preview and it's ready for delivery. Hopefully this video helps you on how to engrave onto soft steel tumbler. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel, liking this video, and thanks for watching.